Hello, let's see how to crochet the spring dew coaster. These are the materials needed. Do a magic ring, chain 1, do 12 double crochets into the ring, mark the first double crochet, pull the starting yarn tail to tighten the ring. For color change, carefully unravel the last loop. You can see the two loops. Push the hook into them and grab the second color yarn and pull up a loop. Then do a slip stitch to the first double crochet. Chain 1, 2 double crochets into the same stitch where we did the slip stitch. We can hide the first yarn ends by keeping them over the hook while you pull up a loop. Two double crochets into the next stitch, and repeat this until the end of this round. You'll have 24 stitches in total. Slip stitch to the first double crochet to join. Chain 1, 1 single crochet into the same stitch as the slip stitch. Mark the single crochet, chain 2, skip the next stitch and do a single crochet in the next. Chain 2, skip a stitch, do a single crochet in the next. chain 2, skip a stitch, do a single crochet in the next. Continue this until the end of the row. These are the chain 2 spaces. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, this is the first chain 2 space. Slip stitch into the first chain 2 space, chain 2, work 4 double crochets into the same stitch. Mark the first double crochet. This is the second one. Third double crochet. And fourth double crochet. Then do a single crochet into the next chain 2 space. Five double crochets into the next chain 2 space. A single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Repeat these steps until the end of this row. Slip stitch to the top of first double crochet. Now the rounds are completed. Begin fasten off and weave in the ends.